That's the main thing, okay?
Okay.
What's a painkiller?
What?
What's a painkiller? I
Oh.
thought you said that's a painkiller.
He said, "Are you ready?" I said, "Yeah," but I'm not.
Who said, are you nervous?
It's gonna hurt you more than it's gonna hurt him. I can
Oh,
tell you that right now.
Oh, I cry every time I do one.
Gotta be like everybody else, huh?
No.
You'll follow her.
No, I'm gonna do this one upside down. She won't be like anybody else.
Lift up your shirt. Oh man.
Oh, brother.
I gotta have Kaylee with me.
Take your shirt under.
Tuck your shirt under.
Yeah, I don't want to fall in. How are you? I'd like to lean against the chair. There you go, just like that. Now you got a deep belly button.
Is that good? Or no?
If she wants to hide stuff.
You gotta dip in there.
Now, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put the clamps on it, right? And after I put the clamps on it, I'm gonna hold the needle to it. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3. Whenever I say 3, breathe in. I'm gonna pierce it, then breathe out. Okay?
Okay.
Put the jewelry in. And that's pretty much all there is to it.
Okay.
Gosh. Looks so interesting.
Oh, piece of cake.
Cool, then do yours next.
Wouldn't be able to see it all the air. It wouldn't even make sense. I'd have to shave every day.
1, 2, 3.
That wasn't bad.
That hurt.
Hear how that hurts. Gosh, steak's being pretty good. I'm proud of you. I'm gonna buy you a Ferrari.
I'll pierce my belly button if that's the case. Okay?
I told you it didn't hurt.
What?
I told you it didn't hurt.
It
Didn't
hurt.
bleed either.
No, it
I
didn't.
just bleed a little bit. Don't look at it.
Okay.
It always makes me nervous when people look at it with it.
Right.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
People fall
She
on me.
wants
I
to be
hate
a
it.
doctor.
Can I see a little belly button? Can I take a look at the little belly button I just did?
Yeah.
Nice job, Lexi.
Hair.
Hold on.
Thank you.
You did great.